business for 11 years and I experienced a whole lot. And what I've learned through the good times, the bad times, the celebration times, and the times of like, man, I'm rock bottom, I don't know what to do. Out of all these times, the number one thing that I've learned is you have to have clarity and you have to continue to be intentional to achieve what you want to achieve. I don't know about you, but when I feel that I don't know where I'm going, I typically stumble a lot, I go in circles, and I waste a lot of time, and I miss out on so much opportunity when I'm not intentional. So one of my goals for 2019, before this year started, was I want to become more intentional with my social media. I want to become more intentional with my services. I want to become more intentional with my brand. And in 2019, we have achieved a whole lot of things. Grew a lot of brands online, helped a lot of people, and really achieved my financial goals this year because I was intentional. So going into 2020, for everyone who's watching this, if you're in business, if you're starting a business, if you're growing a business and you lack intentions, and what I mean by intentions are what it is you're doing, where is it you're going, what is it that you want to be doing, and who are you serving. When you are intentional in all of the areas that matter, you're going to get results. So here are a few ideas that you can work on today to become more intentional for 2020 and really position yourself for success. Number one, you want to write down your goals. If you haven't written down your goals yet for 2020, chances are you're not going to achieve anything near what you can achieve when you write down your goals. Number two, write down why you want to achieve these goals. Why do you want to earn more money? Why do you want to launch a business? Why does it matter? And if you got to spend a whole page writing down why one goal matters, that is what you need to do. So number one, write down your goals. Number two, write down why you want to do them. And number three, write down how it's going to make you feel. When you put emotion in goal setting, it creates a different type of circumstance and it creates a different type of environment for you to take action on. Tony Robbins talks about this all the time. Where emotion goes, motion flows. So when you put emotion to your goals, you're going to put motion towards it. And what that means is you're going to take action. So if you're watching this video and you do want 2020 to be your best year, you have to have clarity. You have to be intentional and you have to take action right now on what that looks like, because guarantee you this, come January 1st and you don't know what 2020 is going to look like, chances are 2020 is going to be a repeat of 2019, of 2018, or even worse. So be intentional, have extreme focus on what it is you're going to do, and I guarantee you in 2020 you're going to dominate your space, you're going to achieve goals that you probably didn't achieve last year, and you're going to become the best version of yourself because you're going to be intentional, you're going to have clarity, and you're going to have a plan. So make 2020 your best year by taking action today. And another thing I want to just kind of like drift on is when you are hyper focused in your business based off the plan that you built, you plan to be successful because you understand the roadmap. And you may have the ability to become successful, but if you don't have that roadmap, you're going to be going to so many different directions. And the good news is this, if you build a roadmap today, you could always build off of that. You have at least a direction on where it is you're going. And momentum is key to success. And how you establish momentum is by taking small bits of actions that is leading towards a direction. And it's a snowball effect. And if you don't know what a snowball effect, it's pretty much this. See this mountain here? Imagine if this mountain was snow. If I had a small snowball and I just rolled it down this mountain, it's gonna get larger over time. And that's just like momentum. The small steps you take today is a snowball effect to the larger steps you'll take down the road. But once you have that roadmap, you start taking these small steps, you're gonna end the year really large, and you're gonna go into 2021 as a champion versus someone who doesn't really know what they're doing, and you're not gonna have momentum. So I wanna encourage you guys today, create your roadmap, have intentional clarity on what it is you're gonna do, where it is you wanna go, and you're gonna dominate 2020. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. Or if you're watching this on a different social media platform, go to YouTube, type in Joe Ortega CEO, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next video.